In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneDrive not syncing on Windows 11. If files aren't updating, the easiest way to confirm what's wrong is to quickly check OneDrive from File Explorer. We'll look at two things that commonly stop syncing: whether OneDrive is connected to the right account and whether your storage is full. These checks are simple, and they can immediately tell you if OneDrive itself is the issue. Start by opening File Explorer. This is your main window for browsing files on your PC. In the left sidebar, look for your OneDrive folder. It usually has a cloud icon and the name of the OneDrive location, such as personal or your organization's OneDrive. Right-click that OneDrive folder. A menu will appear. Hover your mouse over the OneDrive option within that menu. When the sub-menu opens, click Settings. This takes you straight into OneDrive's Settings panel. Here, go to the Account section. This area shows which account OneDrive is currently using on your computer. Take a moment to make sure it's your account. You should recognize the name and the email address shown here. If the account listed doesn't match the one where your files actually live, that mismatch can explain why your files aren't syncing on this device. For example, if you see a work account but you're expecting personal files, or vice versa, OneDrive will not sync the content you expect because it's looking at a different cloud location. Confirming the account here rules out a very common cause of sync confusion. While you're still in the account section, look for your storage status. OneDrive shows how much space you've used and how much is available. If your storage is full or nearly full, OneDrive will pause or fail to sync new or changed files. This can look like files stuck on sync pending or updates never appearing. Simply seeing that your storage is maxed out gives you a clear reason for the problem. If you notice the bar is at or near capacity, that explains the sync behavior you're seeing. That's it for this quick diagnostic. By opening File Explorer, right-clicking your OneDrive folder, hovering over OneDrive, choosing Settings, clicking Account, confirming it's your account, and checking storage, you'll know right away whether an account mismatch or full storage is blocking your sync. If the account is correct and you have plenty of storage, then OneDrive itself likely isn't the cause, and you can focus on other factors with confidence. But if either of these checks reveals an issue, you've identified the reason your files aren't moving as expected. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you pinpoint what's going on with OneDrive on Windows 11.